See, Standard 12th Maths, Chapter 5, Analytical Geometry, Exercise 5.2, Question number 5. The question is, identify the type of conic and find center, foci, vertices and directrices of each of the following. See the equation, x square by 25 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. See, just when you see this equation itself, center you have plus sign. So it is an ellipse equation. So this equation represents the ellipse. Represents an ellipse. And major axis, see the denominator in the x squared term is greater. So therefore the major axis is along x-axis. So here A is greater than B. A is greater than B here. So in that case, the position of this ellipse here, and also we have only just x square, so therefore the center is 0, 0, and here your vertex A dash, and this is A. So A comma 0 and minus AE comma 0. So A squared value is here 25. So what about A? A value is 5 and B squared value is 9. So B is here 3 value is 3. So the question you have to find center, foci, vertices. One more concept, data we need to find E. What is E? You have to find. So the formula for finding E is equal to square root of 1 minus B square by A squared. You have to by heart this. E is equal to root of 1 minus B square by A square. So 1 minus B squared is 9. A squared is 25. Simplify this. 25 LCM. 25 minus 9 is 16. Therefore 4 by 5. So E value is equal to 4 by 5 here. So first case, first let me take center. Center is 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. Next is they ask you to find the next question, foci. Vertices. Let me find the vertices here. Vertices A and A dash. See here, it's not A. Minus A. So vertices is A dash here. So you will get A dash. That is plus or minus A comma 0. That is equal to, what is the value of A? We have got 5. So plus or minus 5 comma 0. Next idea, have to find foci. So foci is also on the major axis S dash. That is AE comma 0 and minus AE comma 0. Foci. S dash, that is plus or minus AE comma 0. So plus or minus, what is A? 5 and E is here 4 by 5. 4 by 5 comma 0. That is 5 cancel, plus or minus 4 comma 0. This is your foci. And next is directrices. See, where is this directrices? Actually, it is outside the curve. Outside the curve, it is parallel to y-axis. So, x is equal to here a by e and x equal to minus a by e. Both the directrices are parallel to the y-axis. So, the x at a distance of a by e from the origin. So, x equal to a by e and x equal to here minus a by e. So, directrices is equal to x equal to plus or minus a by e. Plus or minus x is a is 5 and what about e? E is 4 by 5. So, therefore, take this 5 to the numerator, plus or minus 5 5s are 25 by 4. So, 5 into 5 by 4 plus or minus 25 by 4. So, this is a directrices. See second subdivision, x square by 3 plus y square by 10 is equal to 1. See, the denominator of x squared is 3 and denominator of y squared is 10. So, here the denominator of y squared is greater than the denominator of the x squared. So, the major axis is along y-axis. So, the ellipse you will get in the inverted position. Inverted position. See x dash and this is y dash. Y dash. See center same 0 0. And the foci lies on the y-axis. The major axis is here y-axis. So, S dash. So, x value is 0, AE and 0, minus AE. So, we take always the greater value as a squared 10 and b squared is equal to 3. We need to find E. What is E? E is equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a squared. So, that is square root of 1 minus b squared value is 3 by 10. So, take LCM 10 minus 3 7. 7 by 10. So, find AE because foci AE. So, A is here 10, root 10, A squared is 10, so A is root 10 here. So, root 10 into root 7 by root 10 E value. So, gets cancel, you will get just E value is AE value is root 7. See, and one more in the, so first let me take the center. Center is absolutely 0, 0. Then vertices, see vertices is here 0, A and 0, minus A. So, 0, plus or minus A. What is A here? Root 10. Plus or minus root 10 and foci is again on the major axis y-axis 0, plus or minus AE. That is 0, just now we found AE plus or minus root 7. Next case you have to find directrices. See directrices just they are parallel to x-axis here. Parallel to x-axis here. So in that case y is constant here. So y is equal to a by e. Positive side and y is equal to minus a by e. So directrices is y is equal to plus or minus a by e. So plus or minus, what is a? A we got root 10. And what is the value of e here? E you have to see a is equal to this. See, e is equal to root 7 by root 10. Root 7 by root 10. So, plus or minus root 10 into root 10 by root 7. So, root 10 into root 10, 10. 10 by root 7. So, this is your y. Y is equal to plus or minus 10 by root 7 or directrices. Thank you.